From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
Hello, welcome to Philemathics series where mathematics is simplified. In this video, we are going to differentiate y equals exponential of x squared sine of x. So y equals exponential x squared sine of x. You want to recall that if y is equal to exponential x, the x, is simply exponential x. But if the power, which is x, is a function you can differentiate, that is, assuming y is exponential 2x. So what you actually do is differentiate the outer, which is exponential 2x, the x will give you exponential 2x, dot differentiate the inner, which is 2x. Differentiate 2x, you get 2. So that at the end of the day, what you have is 2 exponential 2x. The reason we don't usually emphasize this in exponential s is because if you differentiate x, is simply 1. Now let us call u to be x squared sine x. A quick glance at this function, we can see that it's a product of two functions, a quadratic function and a trigonometric function. So we can use product rule here. Recall that if y is uv, then the x, where u and v are function of x individually, will be u dv plus v du. If we call u as x squared, then the u, differentiate x squared, we have 2x. And if we call v as sine x, then the v is simply cos x. Now, to our problem, if we differentiate u, du, the x, this will give us our u is x squared, our dv is cos x, our v is sine x, our du is 2x. Now, back to our problem. It means the x, will give us the y du times du dx. Since we call u x squared sine s, so this is similar to exponential u, and the y du is simply exponential u. So this will give us exponential u times x squared cos x plus 2x sine x. Therefore, our final answer, which is the y, the x, exponential u is what we have originally, exponential x squared sine x, in bracket x squared cos x plus 2x sine x. This will give us our final answer. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye.